Aksar.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Anup Kumar. I am from Aurangabad district, Bihar. Currently, I am pursuing BTech from National Institute of Technology, Patna. And my hobbies is to playing cricket and learning new things. Thank you.
Okay, so Rahul, now it's your turn.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rahul Kaswa. I am from Rajasthan. I am pursuing my bachelor's degree from NIT Patna, and about my hobby, I like to play cricket.
Rohit.
Yes, Kausal.
Yeah, it is your turn.
My name is Rohit Kumar Rajas. I belong to the Patna, Bihar. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech from the National Institute of Technology. I am the mechanical engineering student. I am third year student, and my interest is to enhance the technical knowledge.
Okay, off to Prashant if he is available. Okay, Prashant has joined.
Hello everyone, this is Prashant Tripathi and I belong to Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I'm studying NIT. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, say continue your introduction.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shekhar Kumar. I was born in Sonpur, Bihar, from where I have completed my intermediate education, and currently I am doing my graduation from NIT Patna with a specialization in mechanical engineering. Talking about my hobbies, I like playing badminton, watching food videos and food blogs. Thank
Good afternoon,
Okay, now
everyone.
Subhamati.
My name is Shivam Gupta. I am from Patna. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shivam Gupta. I am from Patna, Bihar. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical Engineering from National Institute of Technology, Patna. My hobbies include programming and doing technical stuff, and I also like playing cricket. Thank you.
Okay, so we are done with the introduction round. Now moving on to speech round. We will be giving our speeches. So, who want to give their speech first? Rahul, do you want to proceed?
I am timer, so I will
Should I
give it
start?
last.
Should I start, Kausal?
Yeah. No, done.
Good afternoon, everyone. In a speech topic today, I want to discuss on the topic that was related to Lakshadweep. In some days before, huge protest was happening in Lakshadweep and Lakshadweep. Okay, so then I want to talk about what was the main reason why protest was going on in Lakshadweep. And as we know that, first of all, before talking about the protest that was going on, I want to talk about Lakshadweep. As we know that Lakshadweep is a union territory, and it consists of 36 islands, and but one island was washed away due to soil erosion. Then now I want to talk about the area, 32 square kilometer, and population is 70,000, and the majority population, approx 90% population, belongs to Muslim category. Now I want to talk about why protest was going on there. First of all, I want to say that in Lakshadweep there is administrator rule. As we know that Union Territory have LG rules, Lieutenant Governor, but in Lakshadweep there is a administrator rule. And what is administrator rules? The rules. What is administrator rules? Administrator that is formed by the President of India, and there is no Lieutenant Governor there. Okay, then I want to talk about there is the administrator there, Praful Khoda Patel, who was also Ministry of Home Affairs in Gujarat when the Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Okay, then I want to talk about the administrator of Lakshadweep has passed some rules. And what was the rules and regulation? Mainly the rules related to that the Lakshadweep Development Authority Regulation 2021, which give administrative power to remove or relocate island from their property for town planning or any development activity. Means, in simple words, we can say that if any development project will be happening there, then the people of that place will have to go to other place, or anyhow means they will have to migrate. Okay, first rule was there, and second was that the Prevention of Anti-Social Activities Act, means it is also known as Gunda Act, means those who are anti-social elements, and they will be given approx 1 year. Approx 1 year they will be sent to the jail for at least 1 year, and without any public disclosure, means without any disclosing to the public. Those who are anti-social elements and anti-social people, they will be sent to the jail without any information disclosing to the public. That was second. Third one was that those who belongs to in the panchayat elections, when there will be any panchayat election will be there, then those people can't flout the elections who have more than 2 children. That was third. And fourth one is that the administrator of Lakshadweep has had ban on beef under the draft Lakshadweep Animal Preservation Regulation. Means under this Lakshadweep Animal Preservation Act, there is a ban of beef. Any types of beef you can't sell, you can't buy, you can't export anywhere in the Lakshadweep. If you will be found by selling or by consuming any types of beef, then the punishment is very, very rigorous. Punishment is that you will be given at least 7 years of jail, at least 7 years of prison, and maximum 10 years. The guilty can end up with prison with at least 7 years and maximum 10 years, and the fine will be also of minimum 1 lakh and maximum of 10 lakh. So this was the 4 rules that has been passed by the administrator of Lakshadweep, and that was, you also heard about the campaign was going on Twitter, that save Lakshadweep, and also in the first corona wave, first wave is going on in Lakshadweep, because when in 2020 there was no any cases that was found in Lakshadweep, but at present there was cases also there. 6,000 cases are there, and 24 deaths were also found. So there are many people who are opposing why these types of act has been passed by the administrator of Lakshadweep, and the Kerala Chief Minister, Kerala Member of Parliament also opposed this, and also wrote a letter to the President Ramnath Kovind to look into this matter. So the Patel response, what the administrator said about this, he was saying that rule is only for development of Union Territory of Lakshadweep and urban growth, and and he also said that my only agenda to develop Lakshadweep. So I also want to know that I also want to know your views. Is that rule that has been passed by the by the Lakshadweep administrator, that is correct or not. So I think, thank you.
Thank you, Anup. That was very good. And Rahul is raising his hand.
I am
Yeah, Rahul.
informing him about that time has ended.
Okay. So that's fine. It was really nice, Anup. Very informative and all. If anybody has any question to ask Anup, then they can ask. Otherwise, we will move on to the next person.
Yes, Anup, it was very informative, and I also know about Lakshadweep scenario. I haven't read this, information that this type of protest is going on in Lakshadweep. That is very informative. Thank you for that.
Okay, bro. Thank you.
Okay, so moving on to next person, Subham, can you give your speech? Hello.
So I have not read this speech.
Okay, then no problem. Sekhar?
So,
Hi, you are audible, Sekhar.
okay. So, hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a term named dark matter and dark energy. So, what is the universe made up of? This is the question that human beings have been asking since they looked up into the sky. So, universe is thought to be consist of three types of matter. First one is regular matter. Regular matter consists of atoms, that is planet, stars, human beings, gas, oil, or anything that you see up in the sky or in the universe. But this regular matter consists of only 5% of the atom of the universe. And so the remaining part is named as dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is that type of matter which do not emit light or do not absorb light. Since they cannot emit or absorb light, so they cannot be detected by any of the telescopes we have, any of the current technology we have. So, but dark dark matter is there. We can feel its presence by its various influence on us. For example, like a telescope is there, Wilkinson microwave anisotropy probe satellite, send the data to astronomers that helps them to assess the actual age of our universe to be 13.7 billion years old. And this satellite also send the data that helps the astronomer to realize that the atoms consist of only 5% of the universe, and the remaining part being dark matter and dark energy. So understanding of dark matter is very important, as it led us to understand the shape and size of the universe. Amount of dark matter depends with that it consists or whether it reaches up to a certain level, reaches up to a certain level. So, as galaxy is expanding, as you all know, from the Big Bang, and it's at the initial stage when universe is created, its expansion was at faster rate than what it is. So universe is accelerating. So if universe is accelerating, so it should be torn apart, but it does not happen so. So something is holding our galaxy together, and this something is, we know, is gravity. And the amount of gravity required to hold the galaxy together very huge. Will be required very huge amount, and this amount of gravity will not be created by what we know as regular matter by what we know as 5% of all matter in universe. So there is something that creates this gravity, and that part is called dark matter and dark and many theories are going on, and this is one of the theories. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Shikhar. That was really informative and out of the box topic and scientific one also. So now, Kshitij,
Yes, Kaushal.
so take the stage.
Okay, thank you so much. Wait. Hello everyone. My name is Chiti Janjan Katiyar. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and I am pursuing mechanical engineering from NIT Patna. Now I'm going to deliver the topic. My topic name is Californium. Okay. So first I will talk about what is Californium. Am I audible, Kaushal?
Yeah, you are audible, Kshitij.
Okay. First I will talk about what is Californium. See, Californium is second most expensive radioactive substance in the world. Okay, it is act as metal detector. What are its uses? You know, it used to detect gold and silver ores, and also it is used in treatment of cancer. These are the uses of californium. I will not talk about their chemical properties. Their atomic number is 98 and other properties. In simple words, I will tell you about that. And why am I choosing this topic? When I was reading today's newspaper, then I saw a heading like that police had caught 8 people and seized 340 gram radioactive substance. Then when I thoroughly read that topic, then I got to know about this Californian topic. See, yesterday police had caught 8 people, and they seized 340 gram radioactive substance. That substance named as californium. Whether it is californium or not, they had sent sample to the IIT Kanpur for their identification. Experts are saying that 1 gram of californium has cost 170 crore rupees, and they seized 340 gram californium. Then it cost around 57,800 crore rupees. That is really huge amount. Now I will talk about how police nabbed these 8 people and how it approached. See, there was a man named Abhishek Chakrabarti. He found this substance from Coalfield, Bihar. Then there was 8 people in his group. Then he approached to real estate agent. That agent named is Sailesh Rai, and he also taken 1.2 lakh rupees from that real estate agent. That real estate agent now informed to the police and said that there is some radioactive substance he was selling, and he's already been taken 1.2 lakh rupees, and then see him after that. So yesterday, police had reached Polytechnic crossing in the Lucknow, and he nabbed them. These 8 people. Now this Abhishek was the mastermind of that gang. He said that he was trying to sell this substance in a black marketing, and also selling in the other agencies. Now in our India, this this type of substance is only authorized by the single government agency named Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Bhabha Atomic Research Center is only the authorized agency by our government to store these type of substances. Now this has been sent. Finally, this has been will be sent in this authorized agency, and IIT Kanpur is also identifying that whether this is Californium or not. If it is Californium, then it is really good for India. Because as I told that they used to detect gold ores, silver ores, and also in the treatment of cancer. Thank you. My speech was very short. Okay.
No, that was very nice, Sitish bhai. So, Rohit, am I audible to you?
Yes, Kausal, you are
So,
audible.
Rohit, proceed with your speech.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Today I have taken the topic importance of doctor in our life. Doctor all over the world, not in India, has given the position next to the God because they are saving the lives of the people. They continuously working tirelessly towards the mankind. And a doctor is a person who try to help the person to keep their health in healthy condition and try to relieve the patient from their pain. Doctor play a vital role in the humankind and humankind. That's why we can say that the doctor has the incarnation position of God. We celebrate in India. We celebrate the Doctors' Day on 1st of July every year to say the thanks to those doctors, those who are working continuously and dedicatedly towards their patient. In the doctors originating from the India are large in number, and the demand of these doctors in the world are also increasing. But when we talk about the medical facility of the India, on the other side, we see that it is very deteriorated. That means those who are producing the large number of doctors toward the world, and their health condition is so poor. Towards and doctor cannot make a single mistake. Even a single mistake made by the doctor can lead to the patient's death. And doctors, there are the several diseases. Only doctor can fight over that, and the patient and treat the patient, treat the infected person according to that disease. It is a doctor only save the many number of the patient lives. And suppose the scenario, if there was no doctor, then the large number of the people will die due to the several disease, because due to the lack of the doctor and the not presence of the doctor. Any disease or any pain of the human can be easily detected by the doctor, and the medicines are provided according to that. And there are also the doctor spend their whole life to understanding the disease and how to overcome that disease to provide the better treatment to the patient. Doctor not only provide the treatment not treating us, but they are also providing the proper guidelines how to strong and build up their immunities and how to feel healthy. Many epidemic situation, pandemic situation, like plague and currently the COVID-19 situation are controlled by our doctors. India are the very much India doctors are very much in the global, and the large number of the doctors are found across the world. And we also know that every coin has the two faces. Since here, similarly here, the on the other side there is a good quality of doctors, and the other side there are only the misleading of the doctors. That we know that the India and the other country where the medical education is quite expensive than any other education. So in behalf of that, many doctors make the profit from the patient and recover that amount from the patient by misleading the patient. And this type of doctor prescribe the medicine in such a way that the cost of that medicine is quite higher than the any other medicine can also be prescribed by doctor. But due to the commission provided by the brand or the any companies in the form of gift or in the form of a tour ticket, doctors get it from that brand. That's why they prescribe that type of medicine to the patient, and the patient will face the higher cost of medicine. Finally, I want to conclude that the position of the doctor in our country or in any country is very important, and the doctor, only due to doctor we are feeling happy and we are feeling strong and healthy. That's it from my side.
Thank you, Rohit bhai. So only me and Rahul are left, so I will take the stage. Prasad, you are not prepared with your speech now, so I am leaving you out. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about a topic which is does watching TV shows or movies about suicide encourages it or prevents it? Okay, so most of you must have heard about a show named 13 Reasons Why, which came on Netflix in 2017. For those of you who don't know about this show, it was about a teenage girl who was bullied and sexually harassed by her classmate in her high school. So revolved around the effect of harassment and bullying and how these things can actually push a person up to the verge of suicide. In this show, a very graphic and detailed scene of suicide is also shown, and much of the episodes are about the aftermath of this incident, unfortunate incident. And other episodes of this show revolved around that why she did suicide and who is responsible for it and blah blah. So overall, it was a very nice show. But when this show aired, a very uh, a very important discussion also arose with it, that does this kind of shows who portrays suicide and mental health issues, they did do they encourage suicide or mental health issues, or because of these issues are prevented. So many psychologists in 2017 were worried and alarmed before this show began to air that uh, this show will lead to high rates of suicide among teens because of a phenomenon called as suicide contagion or copycat suicide. So, what is the suicide contagion or copycat suicide? Suicide contagion is a phenomenon which is in which publicized suicide, okay, uh, serves as a trigger in absence of a protective factor, of course, for the next suicide by another person, because by another person because of suicide contagion. So it is proven that because of suicide contagion, a person who has encountered suicide of its relative or close friend is more susceptible towards suicide than a person who has not encountered suicide in his life. So psychologists fear that if a teen who is facing bullying or who is being harassed in his school or in her school will see this show, they will get a trigger. They will get a trigger, or they will become a victim of this suicide contagion, and the suicide rates will go very high after the show will air. Uh, but nonetheless, the show aired and became very popular. Many people applauded it for its plot and also argued that this show has made people aware of mental health issues and have sparked a discussion about these taboo subjects which we do not generally talk about in our day-to-day life. We rarely talk about mental health issues or suicidal thoughts or things like that, which are becoming very common and which are becoming very common in this technically advanced world. But we are very unfortunate that these things are still a taboo subject for many of us. So this so triggered that spark, that triggered that spark of discussions about these taboo subjects, and because of this, so many people began to talk about these issues, that why these things happen and how should we care about those persons who are suffering from these illnesses. But as the researchers feared, after the show aired, many suicide rate, especially in America, increased like every year. Researchers tried to link this show with increased rate of suicide, but they were unable to do so as there are more than one factor behind suicide in general. Okay, and one cannot directly link a TV show with the suicide of a person that easily. Yeah, it could have acted as a social contagion, as I said, or acted as a trigger for people to do suicide, but it also made people aware about mental health issues, and why talking about these issues are important. Because if we are talking about these issues, then person who is suffering from mental health issues or suffering from these kind of thoughts, depressing thoughts, can get help more easily than if we are not talking about them at all, or if we are thinking that these issues are taboo, or issues which should not be discussed in our day-to-day life. That is why I think that these kind of shows are really important, and I will not say that these shows prevent suicides or mental health issues, because they also in some cases act as a trigger, but they can act as a prevention, or they can act as an awareness toward these issues if they also follow some precautionary steps with it. Like before the beginning of shows, if they will show some like a suicide helpline number, or they will talk about that why this show is made, and how people can get help from this show, or how they cannot get affected by this, or all of the parts or the cast is fictional, and the scenarios is fictional. If they do these things in these shows, then I think that this show will become a very useful show toward educating people about mental health issues and preventing suicide. So that is my opinion about the recent questions that is being arise in our country, that does watching TV shows and movies about suicide encourages it or prevents it. Thank you. Hello, was I audible? Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Kaushal,
So
you are
now,
audible.
now it is your turn.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Today, my topic is about the conflict that took place between Israel and Palestine. You all would have been aware about this. So, first, we try to understand the geographical condition of both the countries. Israel and Palestine are both in the Western Asian countries, and we took an example to explain the country with Uttar Pradesh. For example, Meerut and Banaras, let it to be Palestine, and Lucknow and Muzaffarpur, Allahabad, all these are the Israel. So on a geographical platform, it is impossible to be two countries divided in such a manner. The Palestine is divided into different two portions, while Israel is between in these two portions. The both countries are formed in 1948 by the UN, where the distribution of land is quite unequal. If we talk about the population of both the countries, the Palestine are the Muslims, while the Israelis are Jews. Israelis follow the religion Zionism, while the Palestine follow the religion that is Islam. And the reason of conflict is between their spiritual land. In the west bank of Jerusalem, on the western part of the Jerusalem, there is a mosque, or we can say temple, because it is not even defined. In history, both the countries have their own rule over it. According to the Muslims, the West Bank Jerusalem Mosque is their third spiritual place. From Muhammad, their first Muhammad has been go to the heaven via through that way. And according to the Jews, their religious group has came there. So both have their own views over it. So the conflict has been arrived in 1967 when the 6 Muslim countries have attacked on the Israel. So on the response of that, Israel has won the war and took some part of the Palestine, because it is possible that if any country attacks on any another country, so to refill their resources, to refill their losses, they will definitely take some part over it. And on this attack, Egypt had took a part of the Gaza Strip that has been shown in there. So Gaza Strip and the West Bank are of the Palestine, and after the war, Gaza has been come under Egypt. And after some years, Israel attacked on the Egypt and took Gaza back, and also took a part of the Egypt. And after a few years, Egypt and Israel come with a treaty. So Gaza has been given to the Palestine or Israel, and the Egypt took its land. So the conflict between Israel and Egypt comes to here. But there are another Western country, another Islamic or Gulf countries like Iran, Turkey, Jordan, Syria. These countries are unstable countries and they regularly attack on Israel. There are two types of group in both the countries. In Palestine, there are the people who want stable a government, and there are some people who says that the Jews belongs to the Europe, so they have to go back to the Europe, and all the is given to them. And what the Jews says about that Muslim peoples, that they belong from the Arab and they should go back to the Saudi Arab and other countries and other Muslim countries. Then the question arises, if they are living from about 60 to 70 years, then suddenly how this conflict has been took place. So the main reason of the conflict are the people of the Hamas. So what is Hamas? Hamas is a group of people who come up to free the Palestine from the Israel, according to the Arab countries, and according to the Israel and US, the Hamas is a terrorist group. So what Hamas has done, they have been attacked. They has attacked on the Israel with the thousands of the rockets. 7 or 8 people has been killed in the Israel, and in backfire, Israel has also attacked on the Gaza Strip, because the West Bank, the region that is shown in the brownish region, is the region where the Palestinian people live or Muslim people lives, but settle of the Israeli people has been there. So this is the peaceful region. But the Gaza Strip is a violent region where a terrorist group Hamas play a role of a government there. To protect the Israel, the Israeli government has made a wall over there to protect the people of Israel from the Hamas. So what has actually Hamas does? Hamas attacked on the Israel, and in the backfire, Israel also attacked on the Hamas. So around more than 100 people has been died, and a lot of building has been destroyed. So the question arises here, which country is blamed for this? And what is the outcome that leads to stop the violence between those countries? If we talk about India, India has given a statement of UN that the Israel should come up with a two-state policy. Means a portion has given to the Palestinian people where they can be live. And the second statement that has been given by India is that Israel should make their own country so they can live. But the problem arises here, the conflict is not about the land. The conflict is basically about the religious spirituality. Because the Jerusalem is the place that the both countries has said that they have their own rules over there. So if we make two-state policies over there, does the conflict stop or not? So I want to ask everyone, what's your views about it? What is the best possible way that the both country will come up to a peace?
Sorry, Rahul. I think it was very complex, so I don't understand. But your speech was very informative and very nice.
What about others?
One way to resolve this is with peace, Rahul, because any conflict is only resolved with is talking it proper because violence goes both ways. If we are killing somebody, then they will also kill an eye for an eye makes one born blind. That is the case. So I think that resolving it with bilateral talk with each other and somehow I think that uh, external I can say external involvement in this issue will also help like a superpowers involvement of superpowers will also help in some cases but that is their option to do. I don't know much about this so yeah.
If it just mute your mic. First, just mute your mic. Hello, Kausal.
Hello.
And just mute your mic because I think your fan is making. So if we talk about bilateral one, then I will make a clear statement that Palestine do not have its own government. Bilateral talk will not be a solution for that. Any another Sekhar, Prasant?
Actually, I could not listen what you said due to the failure in my system. So sorry for the inconvenience.
Sekhar.
Rahul, sorry, I don't know about this topic. I have not read about any Israel-Palestine conflict. So sorry about that.
Sikhar, you are the moderator, then why don't you know about this? Like you are not listening to Rahul's speech. I will try to say that, huh?
Sekhar, you should say something. You should say something.
Sekhar, you should.
He also said to me that he studied about that, and now in front he's saying that he hasn't studied about this.
He is afraid of you, Rahul. He is afraid of
Yes, Kaushal, you are right. I think Sekhar is avoiding to asking any type of question because Rahul will elaborate in a very broad manner.
Good
on
point,
lecture,
Siti,
he's like
good
a
point.
professor.
That is why I am not speaking.
Okay,
Okay,
so I continue my speech for just 1 minute. I have read so many solutions there. The best solution that comes up in top me is that
Your time was, I think your time is already been time up.
And I think Prasant is also waiting for his turn.
Because he already on turning on his video from very.
So thank you everyone for remembering me, and a very good afternoon to everyone. Today I'm going to speak on the topic that why thinking positive is important. Why it is important, why people emphasize on like you should think positive. Why, and I'm going to give you the answer why. Our mind has basically two spheres of activity going on. I mean, activity going on in two spheres. Okay. The first one is the conscious mind, and the second one is the subconscious mind. Now, before entering into this topic, let me tell you what is the difference between these two spheres of brain. Like, what are they? So, conscious mind means the mind which is a rational one. Now, what is the meaning of rational? Rational means the conscious mind can think, can take decision, can calculate. So whatever activities require your attention, that comes into the conscious mind, like which you can control. Whatever action you can control, that comes into the conscious mind. But there are few actions which are outside our ambit. They are like heartbeat, like breathing. So these are the activities which are controlled by the subconscious mind. Now, telling you the most important thing, whatever we are going to see whatever we are going to read, whatever we are going to write, it is solely depends on the conscious mind, because we are going to choose that yes, I'm going to watch movies. Okay, now after giving the input from our conscious mind, it all enters into the subconscious mind. Okay, now here comes the important thing, important details which you have to notice. That subconscious mind do not think like this is good or this is bad. Whatever you will feed it, it will take that blindly, and after taking it, it will try to transmute into its physical equivalent. So whatever you will see, suppose you are watching very good things, suppose you are watching like very good things, so of course your mind will be always positive. Suppose you are watching suppose you are taking in some wrong thoughts, then what happens, you will float into the either of wrong thoughts. This happens because whatever you feed your subconscious mind, it will transmute the same thing into its physical equivalent. Like I'm just giving the, like I'm just telling you that how to compare this. Suppose your mind is a garden, okay, and you are the person and you are the conscious mind. So if you're going to sow a seed, if you're sowing a seed of like seed of love, then of course love will grow into the environment. But if you're going to sow the seed of evil, then of course evil will grow into the environment and into yourself. That is why whatever you are saying, try to see positive. Whatever you are doing, try to do positive. So whatever you're thinking, try to see positive, because that action is ultimately going into what, your subconscious mind. And whatever your subconscious mind is feeling, it will transmute, doesn't matter it is positive or negative. That is why it is said that always be positive. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very well said, Prasad. Very well said.
Hello.
Yes, Sekhar.
Yes,
Thank you,
yes,
ladies and
Shekhar, you are
gentlemen.
audible.
Just I want to say something about Israel Palestine, because Rahul will say something of later to be. That's why I'm saying about right now.
I,
So
I
I
think
think
that was the time period you was preparing for the question.
no.
Such is the fear of God.
Right now, I thought that uh, Rahul will later tell me that you have studied about it, and then you have not told anything about it. So that's why.
Okay. Then tell us the solution.
Continue.
No, I just want to say that like if the judgment will go only to Israel, then Palestine people will think that no. Then Palestine people will think that they have been suffering some racism, and it will and the judgment is done wrong. But if the same judgment will done in the favor of Palestine people, Israel people will think that they have been also facing racism and racism in the history, like in the Hitler times when the Jewish people were murdered. So this way, both judgment will not be beneficial if it is one-sided. So Rahul has said the two-state policy. It I think it should be beneficial, but that in both states there should be one government, and they both the government should be accountable to an upper government which should be there. But this cannot happen that because both states will not agree to this. Okay, Rahul, thank you.
Okay, so moving on to our next round, that is fairly new round, that is image impromptu. So I will be showing you some series of images when it's your turn, and you have to talk about that images or talk about anything that you get from those images. Okay, that you understand from those images, that what that image is trying to convey or is trying to say. Okay, so let me share my images, or I will share image one by one. Okay, and okay, see, who will start this round? Who want to participate in it first? Nobody. Hello.
Can you please brief it? Can you please brief it once again? Like, what is this round and what we have to do in this?
Okay, okay. So let me share an image first. Where is it? So I am uploading an image. Is it visible?
Hello, no, it is not visible.
There was a problem displaying the content. Okay. So let me share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible, and I can see two photos. I can see, but then also I cannot see because they are too short. I think you should zoom a little bit.
See this.
Prashant, you
This
can
photo
also
is
do it.
invisible.
Prashant, you can
Acha.
no. Prashant, you can also do it. Just try
okay.
to
Thank you.
see it from on the screen. Just try to see it. You can also do it.
Yeah.
Is
I can.
this photo visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Visible.
So this is a satirical political cartoon by R.K. Lakshman. Okay, where you can see the contrast of today and tomorrow, where politician is begging for vote to a person, and afterward, when the election is over, they are walking away, and leaving the common man behind, or leaving the common man on his own. So I will share this kind of images. Okay, I will show this kind of images. Okay, and you have to tell us anything that you are getting from this image. Okay, like if you are seeing this image, then you are getting something from it. Am I right?
Yeah.
You are getting the scenario, so you have to talk about that scenario. You have to talk about what you are understanding from this image. All right, and that is this is like a normal impromptu. Okay, instead of giving you topic, I am giving you images. Okay, so this is all about this round. So a person, I will choose a person and I will give him an image, and he has to elaborate about that image in detail. Okay, in his speech or in his impromptu. Okay, impromptu will be short, 1 minute at max. Okay, they don't need to give a 10-minute long speech. So very short speech, and that's it. A timer, Rahul, you need to make sure that they do not exceed their time limit, because if
And
this
what is the time limit? 2 minutes, na?
1 minute, 1 and 2 minutes at max.
Okay, Kaushal. So this is the image for me. I will change it.
Okay. So it is your turn. No, I will give you another image, Prashant, right?
You can take your time. You can give me image from internet, from anywhere. I will try my best.
Let me try to upload it. If
Go
possible.
download. Do whatever you can. I'm waiting for you.
Let me try to upload it. If I cannot upload it, then I will share it within my screen. Can't display content. Okay, so I will share my screen here. So my screen is again visible. So your image is this one.
The screen is yet not visible. I think it is on
It is
its
not
way.
visible.
It is not
And that is
visible
on
now.
its way.
Okay. Wait for a
Maybe close to
moment.
my house, but I'm unable to see where it is. Yes, now it is visible.
Now it
Yes,
is visible.
person.
Okay, so the image is visible or not?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, so this is your image.
I'm not getting what is this.
So if you want to change your image, then I will also change it.
I don't want to change it, but I cannot see like what is inside.
Inside is a hook, which is used for fishing.
And what is this?
A bottle. Like in this
Wine.
image,
I
like
think
this.
wine.
Yes.
Yeah, wine,
Where
bottle,
is
alcohol.
That is okay, but what is that stick?
Where is the stick?
I mean, what is this? Like
Which
the hook
which
is
stick?
the hook is stuck in which stick? Like, see, what is that balloon type structure inside?
Okay. Let me change the image. Okay, this
I
image
am
was
not getting what is the image only.
okay. This image was about addiction. Like if you are, if you are addicted to alcohol or if you are addicted to something, then you will get trapped. The fish hook representing
Okay.
trap.
No, also cannot get after knowing it.
Okay, so let me change. Give you another image. Uh, Let me give you another what it is. Okay, so are you getting this image? This one?
Yes, yes. It is visible.
Understand what it is trying
So
to
this is
say.
the image. Okay.
Yeah.
How much time I have to take after when I when
30
I mean
second,
when
30 second, 30 second
okay,
at
30 seconds.
max.
Hmm. Okay, I'm going to start. So from my image, I can see a grape, lot of grapes, and one time also, and one clock which is telling us the time. So from that, I can see like uh, it is trying to tell us that everyone has a fixed time and also a limited time. And this from this grave we can see that eventually we all have to come at one place. So whatever fixed time we have got, whatever uh, whatever opportunities we have got, we have to achieve everything. We have to do good because ultimately we all have to reach at one place. So this I think was like whatever time we have got, we have to we don't have to waste even single second. We have to utilize all our time, and within that limited time we have to achieve all our goal. Then we have to arrive at this. That's it from my side.
Okay, Prashant. Like this is something new we are telling, so don't get hesitate. Okay.
So
So
what was the real meaning of this picture?
like I
I
don't
want
know
to
the
discuss
real
about
meaning
this.
also. Like meaning is relative. According to me, it is like time is digging
I was
grave.
also thinking same that what Prashant tell. I was also thinking that in that
Hmm.
way only.
Yeah, that can
I
happen
have a
because
little bit different thing.
That was same from
हाँ,
my
please please.
side, I think.
I think the clock and the grave and the back picture are defining here that the first thing the close. As the time decreases, your grave is increases.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the second one from the background is that you are not the individual one. Everyone will go through this phase.
That is like matlab spot on explanation of this
हाँ,
point, I guess.
yes, like हाँ, now I can see that into the picture.
Yeah.
And one of the best thing about the picture impromptu is that whatever you speak is always true. The person who are judging you is how easily and how fast you can manipulate that picture in the words. This is the only thing. What you speak that doesn't matter.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rahul, you are right on this point. I'm very much agree to you.
Yes.
Okay, so next who will take the stage? Kshitij.
Okay, bro. No issue.
Okay, so for you, where was that image? Okay, let me share the image with you. Is this image visible?
Yeah, but that Prashant is not.
No, I have shared a new
Okay.
image.
Yeah. It's okay. Okay, it is visible. Also, what is above it? Above the stairs.
Like a kid is burning the steps of a ladder.
No. Upper side.
Upper side means,
Is it
well,
sky?
yeah,
No. Place.
sky, or you can say out of that bar.
Okay,
There is a
okay, okay, okay,
ladder
okay.
and a monkey is there.
The place from where you have to escape out.
Yeah, like
Okay,
escape from.
okay, getting it. Okay, try to think.
Yeah, take your time. I am muting myself.
Okay, Kaushal. I am ready.
Okay, then proceed.
As I am saying that there is a boy who is taking heat from the uh, burning wood, and also there is a hacksaw, and also there is a ladder wood there. As I am saying that this boy is taking heat, so I think so that is cold. He is suffering from cold. So trying to survive for his life, he is taking heat from that burning wood, and I am not taking this, understanding this, why he has cut in these ladders. I think he has cut it, the ladder for this image. This thing only I am getting. I am not getting too much from this image. Sorry.
Kaushal, I
Anybody
want
else
to
who
say something.
want to
Yes,
explain?
Kaushal, I want to say something.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, in this figure shows that according to time that we have to do anything. In this figure, the boy has cut the wood firstly, and then after he get heated. On the other side, he can also do that. He firstly go outside, then after he can use the wood for the heat. Suppose we are linking the same scenario with the present era, that the someone in the class, suppose someone in the class 4 or 5, and he or she is demanding for bike or anything from the parents, that is not need for that. uh, According to time, that is all things are suitable. So before burning this wood, firstly the man should have to go outside, then after they can he can burn the wood. According to time, all can be acceptable, but before time
Yeah,
it is
Rohit.
not.
Now I am getting it. He is, he is taking heat from the burning wood by cutting these ladders by hacksaw. So has he has
Another
cut
uh,
in. I now I'm by cutting
Firstly,
hacksaw so
first,
that these ladders are also ladder wood are also there.
in the choice of the heat getting, he has lost the chance to go outside. Same scenario will happen to the present era, that if someone, suppose if someone fall in the love, and they are addict of love, and they are attracted towards the girlfriend or attracted towards any girl. So and they are losing their precious time. And if they will come outside from this love and understand that there nothing is happen, and they want to escape out, there is a nothing chance to escape.
Yeah, I also want to add that this ladder can be an example of opportunities that is given to everyone, and this fire can be thought as a item of momentum pleasure. So this person is not using his opportunities in the best way. He can actually climb up this ladder and reach the sky, but instead that he's cutting the each step of the ladder and burning it, so he can get some heat and get some momentum pleasure. But once if he leave this and use all the opportunities in the form of every step of the ladder, then he can escape from this prison or whatever it is and reach the sky and he can be free. So this momentary pleasure is actually escaping this person.
Yeah, like to summarize it all, the picture says that sacrificing present opportunity for short-term gain. He could have easily escaped and got over the cold, but instead, for short-term gain, he cut his opportunity to get outside and cut the steps of food and his burning. So yeah. So next, okay. So what I am thinking now, I will share the image, okay, and everybody can say about it or talk about it, like they did in this image. Am I right?
Yes, Kausal.
Yeah, like if I am giving one image to one person, and if that person is failing to tell about it, then the other person is elaborating about that image. So that would take a lot of time. So what I will do, I will share a picture, okay, and anybody can elaborate about it or can give their idea on it if they want. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, continue.
Yes. Yes, Kaushal,
Yes,
I think this is a
Kausal,
very
you
good
are
idea.
audible.
Yes, Coach.
Okay then.
Coach, you
Okay
are
then.
audible.
Okay, I will share another image with you all. And this time I will also try to take part in it. Mhm. Okay, is this image visible?
Yes.
So yeah, this is our third image to elaborate, where a person has fallen down from the skyscraper and probably he is killed, and on the other side people are staring at a fallen paint. So I suppose that the person who has fallen down is a painter who was painting the skyscraper, but nobody is noticing his death, where, whereas they are noticing the loss of paint rather than loss of life.
Yeah, I think that it depicts about this material world in which we are living currently, this commercialized world in which we do not think about the person lives, but instead think about the money or the material which has been lost. And there are a number of examples in our day-to-day life. Example, this pandemic, in which even a fruit seller, vegetable seller, or a high specialty hospital is asking only for money or material things instead of saving the person lives. So it can be thought in this way also.
Also, we can say one thing that people are watching things and they are going. Means I want to say something that if a accident happened on the road, and most of people were ignored it, or just taking it away. Some people, someone will come, and they can take it and go to the hospital. Means people ignore that things. Means I wanna just this thing I wanna say, that the peoples are watching. They are not means serious about the person has already been killed. They have informed to the family members and also to the other people. They didn't think anyone.
Yeah, anybody else?
This also tells about the cruel nature of the people. And the second point that I can see it from here is the what the wealthy people think about the poor people. So from the picture, it looks like the person is working for that people, and when he falls, they are just looking at what they have been lost.
The
They do not
pain.
what they have lost. This is basically a representation. So what they have been lost, they do not think about the people who are working for them day and night. They only just look for money, not the life of the people.
Yeah, high class people
Yes.
do not think about the low class people or the laborers who are working. They only think
Yeah,
about
they didn't.
the material or the paint which has been lost.
Yes, yes, I think it
Yeah,
is representing the like current scenario, like how much labor class is affected, and also what Shubham has mentioned, the like the priority of materials rather than the individual beings. Like in the current scenario we have seen in the Corona times, like the price of remdesivir is going so much high. They're holding it, and they're seeing that people are dying, but then also they cannot release it. This kind of incident, shows it.
Okay, so any other elaboration or explanation to this
Dekhanayana.
image?
Also, can you go to the next picture? I think everyone has shared. So
Okay. So next image.
yeah.
So I will also share the image on WhatsApp also. Okay, in the WhatsApp group. Uh, After sharing it in the screen, so you can
yeah,
easily,
that will also. Yes, yes.
yeah. Okay, so next image.
Yeah, so the picture.
So this is your next image. I hope it is visible in your screen. And also I have shared it on WhatsApp.
Okay. This from this picture, we can clearly see that the a person is there who is looking the outside world, not which is looking outside world through the social media, through a social networking site, but but they can see the outside world through the real through by going outside, by looking at the nature. But the person is seeing through the Facebook what the people post, what the celebrity uh, are doing, what the celebrity are doing, what other people are doing. They are not spending their time with their own family member. And they are not going outside to the friend. Only they are spending their time on the Facebook, on the social networking site. Thank you.
Yeah, I can also see that the person is seeing the outside world with the help of this Facebook device. In reality, he is not seeing that what is actually happening in outside. If he can see at his eye level, then there would be a green thing in the outside. But because of the Facebook, he is seeing all the above things. So I think that the printer wants to say that the Facebook, in the Facebook, people are showing about the heavenly things or the good things. They are not showing the reality or the level of things. In reality, this is the green thing, but what the Facebook is showing to us is that the sky, that white thing, that sky, that is good.
Yes, I am agree with Shubham. I want to also say something that not only the sky but also there is bad things which are people are saying only through the Facebook, not only touching the actual things, not the reality, but they are watching the things through the Facebook only, through the this platform. Whether if we take current situation, whether the video is fake or not, but people are doing sharing on status, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, without knowing the image which are sharing that are fake or not. Also, only through the Facebook they believe on that, and they doing sharing that also create a disturbance and other things which are also not good for our life.
And another thing about this picture is the view. If you are looking from a social media, then the view is narrower. And when you are looking through the gate, the view is broad and clear. And also think that the handle of the door is the opening of the social media. Means when you are looking through the social media, you just close your eyes to see the world with your real eyes. They are the two things that I got from this picture.
I can also
Yeah,
say that the person is actually spying to another persons or another people. So this Facebook has given him the tool to spy on the other person. Because if he would, in reality, if he want to see another person, he has to go directly to the outside, and then that another person can also see him. But this Facebook is a tool which is giving him that opportunity to spy on the person, and he can do this to fulfill his desire. He can do anything. He can do some negative thing also if he is spying.
yeah, that is really good explanation of these things. One, we can also say that how manipulative our social media platform has become. Like we have become trapped inside them. Even if the door is open, we are not willing to go outside and see with ourselves. We have become so lazy and so dependent on social media that whatever social media shows us, we think it to be true. We think it to be always true. But you can clearly see the point of observation from here. Like whatever it shows, whatever that glitters is not a gold, is not gold. So yeah,
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 because I also think that because of this Facebook tool, the person is actually only visualizing, he's only seeing, he can't do anything. And because actually this tool has, if he would be outside, he can do something. But because he's only seeing, so this Facebook has turned him from a doer to a only watcher. So this has changed his personality to a lot.
yeah. So should we move on to the
Yes.
next image?
Like
Yes, for sure.
one point which Shubham has mentioned about that, like what he has mentioned, like from the Facebook we can see the heaven, and but from reality we can see the ground reality. So that point I think was very good. It was out of box, and I think like everyone has mentioned their point of view. They were very good, and also I can see that like this through this social media we are connected to everyone, but then also we are alone. It might happen we have 3,000 friends. It might happen we have 3,000 friends, but ultimately we are alone. This kind of stuff we can see. Now I think we can move.
Yeah. So I have shared the next image in the WhatsApp group. I will also share it here.
Yeah, Gautam. I want to say something that on that image, that the audience are seeing the person who is flying the plates by keeping in hand, and audience was thinking that he is very talented, and his hand is very talented in that flying the plates, but they are not seeing that a lot of practicing and a lot of hard working before this flying plates. We can say that a lot of plates has been broken by that person doing achieve that talent to flying plates in hands, in that hands, means we can from the present scenario we can say that people see the output of the person, not see their what he did hard work before his achievement, means achieving that successful achievement. A lot of hard working involved in the achieving that success. I wanna say only this one.
And according to me, the one thought that comes up in my mind is that practice, failure, and hard work are key to the success. And no one interested what you have done, everyone interested in what the result is.
Yeah. Yeah, I can also see that there's one thing, that the person might not be very good in this craft, but even in the staircases of his where even before giving his act, he was practicing. So there may be scenario that you are not proficient in your craft. You might not be very skilled. You might be a failure if you think that. But instead, you should practice till the last moment and give your best to the to that act. So in a number of times in our life, we think that we are not good in any skill, and we should not participate in a competition. We should not give our exam. We should not give the interview or for the job. But till the last moment, we should practice and give our best. And that's very good message I can say.
One more thing that I want to point out here is that you can clearly see the steps behind that person, and in each and every step, as the step is ascending, the number of broken plate is decreasing. But there is broken plates even just before the person, just before the step where person is performing. You can clearly see that
Yeah.
when that person started, the number of mistakes that he made was very high. But as he progressed toward his goal, his steps deteriorated, but they were there. And if he became demotivated at any of these steps, he could not have become a master of his craft, and he would have simply left his goal hanging there. But uh, we, but instead of getting feared by these failures, he moved on to those failures and dedicated his time and improving his craft, improving his mastery of his craft. And you can clearly see that how these as he progressed toward his journey, the number of plates that is broken deteriorated, decreased, and he you know be, became master in his craft.
Yes, Kaushal, your
Kaushal,
point is
yes,
very nice.
Kaushal
That is the main
is
point.
right.
I saw that. I haven't noticed this, but also I saw this. This is very important point. Very nice, Kaushal.
Kaushal, you said it right. Like when we are starting a new thing, let's say any business or startup, uh, at the start, we would lose multiple number of times. But as we practice, as we excel in it, the losing part will get reduced automatically, and we will get excel in it. And at last, we get succeed. And also, I can say that the audience which is sitting there, seeing the people output, not seeing the journey behind the people, their success. Like when we see that when we are going to restaurant, we only see what the chef has made. We are getting the dish, but we do not see what is the picture behind it. What is he doing from the morning? He is preparing the dishes. Many things are going on behind the kitchen. That's all. Thank you.
One thing I want to add, like a very basic thing I want to say, like all I've mentioned, all I've kept their point of view. Like I think the very simple words like कोशिश करने वाले की हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करते रहेंगे आप तो कभी ना कभी तो आपको सफलता मिलती है। और पहली बात, कुछ भी हासिल करना है तो ये मान के चलना है कि फेल तो होना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ये हो गया। एंड द सेकंड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू व्हाट आई थिंक इज लाइक सपोज आई एम इन द ऑडियंस, आई माइट थिंक आई विल ट्राई टू एनवी हिम, ओके, like this happens with us also. It's like suppose one of our friend got selected in an examination, we will try to envy him, we'll feel jealous, but we see him, we see his achievements, but we forgot all the hard work which he have done, and we just like we two friends get together and just try to say about him bad things. This kind of thing happens. So like whenever you feel jealous, just try to see the hard work of that person which he has done. Okay, only we see the result, but we don't see the hard work, like what the hard work. So if you will see the hard work, you will never feel jealous. You will say, yes, he deserves.
Okay, so does anybody want to say anything else or add anything else? Okay, so moving on to our last image. This is very historical image that I have sent it on WhatsApp. So can you, is that image visible? Did you got the image?
Yeah, on the WhatsApp we have both.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, this image. So little bit of history behind it. This image is like is from Tiananmen Square in Beijing. So many of you must have known that in China the government is communist government and a one party system is there, and in 1989 there was a student revolution, okay, in China, where millions of students gathered in Tiananmen Square, very big, very spacious place it is. So they gathered there, and this is one of the image which was very popular and which is from that event. Okay, later on these tanks run over this person, and all of those millions of students who were present at that spot, they were killed and massacred by the Chinese government to suppress the voices of people and to make sure that their country remains communist and their country remains one party system. These people were there in the Tiananmen Square to talk about democracy. They wanted China to become a democracy like many other people, where one can have freedom of speech, freedom of expression, but their demands were not like what can you say, tolerable by the Chinese government. Hence, they massacred millions and millions of people who were gathered in that Tiananmen Square. So this photo is one of the most powerful images in the history of politics. So I want to share this image and want to talk about or want to get your opinion or your opinion about this image. Like what do you think or what can you get from this image?
Yeah, I think that the person here is representing that without right of expression or freedom, it's better to die than to be a slave of any institution or governance. So this person is ready to to be killed if his right of expression and right of freedom is not being given by his government.
Yeah, like we can also uh, elaborate from this image that what is the power of a person. You can clearly see how bravely he is standing in front of 4 tanks, which can easily end his life. But when his resolve is strong, when his ideology is strong, one can face any stone which will be thrown at him. Okay, which one can face any blockage, any restriction, uh, if his resolve is strong. And you can clearly see that how a person is standing carelessly there, demanding democracy, is standing in front of these 4 tanks. These 4 tanks can easily specify or can easily represent the tyranny, okay, that the government put on people, and that person can represent the masses, the common people who get fed up with this tyrannical decisions and dictatorship of the government, and they try to stand up in front of them, or stand up for their rights. Any other explanation or elaboration from you people?
Yeah, this person, we can also see that if a person has risen from himself, that he does not think much about himself, but he has risen above himself and thinking about the people, his neighbors, his countries, people. So he does not fear death even. So this is how a person become a hero in real life, when he has risen above himself and he starts to think about his family, about his country people. So this is how heroes are made, and this is the wonderful example of that.
Yeah. So anybody else who wants to add on this, or should I move on to our last image?
Go to next image first.
Okay, so this is our last image of this round, and what is the time? How many hours it is we have taken in this meeting?
I think you should move to the next round because many images we have analyzed.
See, Sekar, what I am trying to say now, if connecting the nodes will take another 30 hours, sorry, another half an hour at least.
Oh,
So we should take one more image and we will end our meeting here only.
Okay.
Yeah.
okay, okay.
Connecting the node would be we will do it in our next session. What you say?
Like
Yeah.
connecting the nouns with and the group discussion can be done on
Yeah.
Wednesday, I think.
On the Wednesday, because too much time we took too much time in this
Yeah.
this
Yeah, in a
I'd
day,
put
only 2 rounds are
room.
sufficient, not more than 2 rounds.
Okay, so this is our last image. I have sent it on your WhatsApp. Check it. After this round, I have to clean too many things from my laptop. It says too many pictures are downloaded. So this is the image, our final image of this round, where you can clearly see two kids. One is pulling a train full of load, another one is watching him pulling the train while while having a toy train in his hand. So this is our image, very contrasting image in my opinion.
So, if from this picture, I think I can clearly depict that for reaching up to a point, like let's say between both these worlds, let's say a point is there, and for reaching up to reaching that point, both boys are under with an underprivileged boy and a boy which has all of its resources, all of available resources. Both have to follow. One has to follow the difficult path, and one has to follow. One has walk on the like a very easy path without any struggle. And this picture clearly depicts the today's society. Thank you.
Yeah, anybody else want to like add something on this?
Yeah, this poor boy, I think that has a lot of responsibility on his shoulders of his family. This train bogie can be understood as his family. There can be a number of reasons behind that. That in this tender age, he has to carry all this burden on his shoulder. But on the other hand, that boy is not able to understand that why this person, why this boy is carrying this much load or carrying this much. This he might be thinking that it's only for his joy. Sometimes I also in my childhood was thinking that this boy, this little boy, when I was in class, when I was 10 years old, I was thinking that the person who is selling the vegetable, the small boys, maybe 8 or 9 years old, they may be enjoying. I was thinking like that he must be enjoying. He must be enjoying. He must be playing with this, and I would think that one day I would also play by this. And I was thinking that I will also sell vegetable one day. This person might also be seeing that, oh, this person might be enjoying, might be pulling cart. His age and his maturity is not up to the level to understand the difficulties of the another person. And because he's playing with his toy, so he can't able to understand the problem of another person. And this person
Yeah,
has even do not have time to see that what this boy is playing with toys. He does not have, he does not seem to bother, because he only have to bother about his family. So this poor boy is not able to, is not able to see that this person is playing, and he does not care about that.
yeah, like I completely agree with you. So this image can also, like you said, can also show the class divide that we have in our society. Like from the image itself, both of the kids are of same age, where but one kid has to pull that bigger card with a lot of loads on it to reach up to this point, whereas another kid who is of the same age and from the looks of him, he is from a wealthy background, has to pull a toy car, or has to pull very small amount of weight to reach up to this point. This is the class divide that still persists in our society. That poor people, if they want to succeed in their life, they have to go through so much hardship. Whereas if a person who is from a rich family, or who is from the upper middle class family, when compared with the poor person, they have to face very less difficulty to reach the same point where the poor people have to reach with that much load or that much hardship. This image clearly depicts the class divide. Also, we can say that from these two images, this how child labor is persisting how child labor is so in our country. Both of these two children are are of a small age, but one has to do these kind of labor to make or to sustain his life, whereas one in the age of playing, whereas in the age of playing he has to carry this much load on his shoulder instead of playing or instead of learning new things. So this image also shows the child labor situation in our country as well.
Yeah.
Anybody else who wants to elaborate on this like picture?
I think all we only are
Yes.
three are present. All have
Oh,
lost.
okay, everybody has left. See, I am not saying who is in the meeting. I am sharing this, so I don't know who is
I am
participating.
also I'm also not able to see. Only three attendees are there.
Right now, I was seeing that how many people are there. I have seen only three of us.
Three people
Okay,
are there.
okay. That is why we are not getting too many answers. Okay, that is self-explanatory. So I am closing this slide. So this was like, I think I think this thing went pretty boring for them.
Kaushal, can
I
you
like it very much.
Kaushal, can you like give an example of the next round?
See, okay. Let me first of all, like I want your feedback on this round. Like, what did you think of this thing that we did today?
You are not audible, I think.
Am I audible now? Hello, hello.
Yeah.
So, what is your feedback of this round? Like, did you like it or not?
Yeah, I like it very much. This honor very much. The
Yeah.
Like,
time is good.
So like it like from previous what we had did.
yeah, like this this is increasing our manipulative power. Like we are seeing the image and we are elaborating it, we are explaining it in our own words. So that also gives us a base for talking about something. In impromptu
It
we
increases
have, yeah, increases
it
like
increases
our,
our creative thinking.
yeah,
Creative thinking
intelligence.
ability
That
increases.
is that is
They
why I
are
thought
they are
to add this.
Also, we can see different people view on a single picture. What
Yeah. See,
different people can say about it.
like this time this thing become too lengthy in my opinion.
Yeah.
We can have some, we can arrange something or we can do something to make this a little bit shorter from the next time onward. But this thing I think is very important if we want to increase our creative thinking and all those things. So
Yeah.
about the next round, you were asking Napasekar. So see,
Yeah.
connecting the
Yeah.
noun is one thing that I have also not done previously, but I searched in internet and they said that okay, it is a very good way to give also increase creative thinking skill. So in that round, what we will do, we will be having two nouns, okay, random nouns. Suppose I gave you two nouns like bat and house. Okay, bat like chamgadad and house like
What
ghar.
that?
Bat.
At the bat.
हाँ, कोरोना वायरस वाला bat.
Oh, okay. Bat
And
and
house, घर.
house.
क्या बोल रहा है?
Then we have to
House.
then then we have to craft an story related to that bat and
Yeah,
house.
bat and house. Somehow like in between the story or in or within the plot, those two nouns should get connected. Like suppose I have been given bat and house, so I should elaborate the story like this. Okay, there was a person who was walking in a dense forest, dark forest, in midnight, and he went and suddenly he saw a house in front of him. The house seemed haunted, and once but
Okay.
yeah, something like this. Okay, and when he entered the house, the atmosphere was really eerie and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Batman. I know.
but also you can do it in your own way. Okay, like I am not saying to tell only stories. You can tell anything if you want to. Like, okay, if you want to give any speech or anything regard, like you need to only connect those two nouns
That's
somehow.
good. We can say anything. Okay.
Okay, like say anything, but in that anything you have to connect those two nouns somehow. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, who was the evaluator of this meeting? You and Subham now.
Yeah, I was.
Okay, so you have made your notes. So send it to to the WhatsApp group. You know, I am laughing because many people left in between the meeting without saying anything, and I am
हमको
sharing
भी पता
images.
चला, हमको शेखर बताया तो पता चला कि ले सब
हाँ,
भाग
हम
गए।
इमेज शेयर कर रहे
हमसे
हैं।
अभी देखे, हम सोचे कि तीसरा अब कौन बोलेगा, देख रहे हैं।
हाँ,
तो
हम
देख
तो
रहे हैं
स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे थे, हमको पता नहीं चल रहा है कि कौन है कौन नहीं है। हम तो अपना चेहरा भी नहीं देख पा रहे हैं। अभी देखे कि आदमी लोग बोल का नहीं रहा है भाई, तब से तुम बोला कि 3 ही लोग हैं। चलो कोई नहीं, अच्छा जो भी हुआ भाई अच्छा। वैसे ही कुछ नया एक्टिविटी करेंगे ना तो इंटरेस्टिंग होते जाता है चीज ना। तो भाई जीडी और इम्प्रॉम्प्टू होगा, फिर होगा 2 लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे, 6 लोग एब्सेंट रहेंगे। ओके भाई, चलो नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में मिलते
कर
हैं।
देना भाई, अपलोड कर देना भाई, तुरंत है।
अच्छा ठीक अपलोड कर देंगे, नहीं तो प्रशांत को बोलेंगे ना, वो भी तो रखा है जो।
डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा फिर।
अच्छा चल ठीक है भाई शेखर।
हाँ।